to the modern class today. We're going to start on the floor, and you might want to watch this exercise first because you'll be kind of backwards and upside down and you won't be able to see. So let me just kind of show you. We'll start on your back. Your arms are just out to your side and your stomach is in, and you're just going to roll your knees to one side and then take your big toe and just slide along the floor. And then when you come back to center, make sure that your low back is down, your stomach is in. In other words, when you come back, you don't want to have your back arched. And then you roll the knees over, you go to the other side, and when you come back, make sure that stomach is in. So anyhow, we'll go about 7 times back and forth, and then you roll over to your side, and we'll do 7 times on the side, and then roll over and 7 times on the other side, roll over, on the 8th count, as it were. And then when you come back, you roll over and around, and we'll go up to a tent. So you're stretching up like that. And then we might do like a plank and then up into a tent and do some kind of plank things. So, and we'll do this without music so that we can go at our own pace. All right, here we go. So, starting on your back. 5, 6, ready, and turn a stretch. And center, and side. And center, and side. And center, and side. Again, we go over, and up, and over. Stomach in, and over, and in, and rolling on your side. Now on the side, we go front, and back, and front. And back, and front, and back, and front. Other side, we go front, and back, and front, and back. Swinging front, and back, and other side, but actually roll over and go up to a hanging upside down like a tent. And just hold there a little bit, and let's press one heel down a little bit, and the other knee bends, and press the other heel down, the other knee bends, and then alternate the feet, alternate down and down, shoulders down away from the ears, 5, 6, 7, 8, and both heels high, both heels low. And then let's go into a plank, and hold your plank, stomach in, bottom down, and hold for 8, 7, 6, 5. Then we'll do something else. Foot out, foot in, foot out, foot in. So you're like in a wide second, and then a wide first, wide second, and first, and out, in, and out, in. Then knees down, tuck one hand under, sit your bottom down on one side, and roll over onto your back. Now, we'll start the whole thing over again, starting with the other leg. So we go side, and center, and center, and side, stomach in. Make sure the back is down when you come center. In, 2, and 1, and to the side, and this side, front and back. Nice stretch in the hip flexor, and front and back, and front, other side, we go front, and back, and front, and back. Front, back, and front, and all the way over, and come up into your tent again, and stretch upside down like a tent, so that your shoulders are away from your ears. And let's go down into your plank again. Only this time, let's go on your knees and elbows for your plank. So make sure your bottom is down, shoulders away from the ears, stomach is in, bottom is down, stomach in, hold it for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come up and stretch upside down and like your tent, and from there go to your plank and a tent and a plank and a tent and plank and tent. One more like that, a plank and tent. Now let's go knee to nose and extend the leg up, and knee to nose, contract and stretch up, and knee to nose and stretch, and knee to nose and stretch other side, and knee to nose and stretch, and knee to nose and stretch, and knee to nose, that's a contraction, and stretch. One more, knee and stretch and down, and one more time plank for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and just sit back and just stretch. All right, something else on our backs. Again, we're going to do kind of like a batma, grand batmas, but first we'll do développé. So externally rotate like we're in first position, and draw the toe to the knee, but keep your hips down, extend up, flex the foot, lower down, draw it up, développé, extend, flex, lower down, développé, stomach in, hips stay still, one more, and up, and up, flex, other side, and toe to the knee, extend, and flex, lower down, make sure that hips stay steady, flex, lower down, and up, flex, lower down, and développé again, up, and flex, and to the side, right side, and toe to the knee, extend out to the side. Now, this is where you feel your turnout. If you need to even support your thigh, you can do that with your arm, supported by your elbow, but you don't want to let that leg drop so that the hip comes up. So this is a really good exercise to help you to know where your développé will go without altering the hips. And then flex and lower down. Draw it in, extend out, and flex, lower down. Draw it in, extend, and flex, lower down. One more, up and open, keep that hip down. Other side, draw it in, extend, and flex, lower down. Navel to the spine, stomach in, hips down on the floor, and a toe. Extend and flex, lower down. Draw it in and out, and flex, lower down. Now, let's have knees bent, feet flat. We're going to stretch the leg out and batma straight up and down, bend the knee, foot flat. Other foot extended out, extend up, and down, bend the knee flat. Let's do it up to tempo. We go, and down, and up, and down, foot flat, knee bend, stretch the other leg. Stretch, and down, foot flat. Other side, down, extend, and down. Again, keep those hips nice and still, and stretch, and down, and in, and now let's do that same thing out to the side. So it brushes down and batma out to the side but the same principle applies. Make sure that hip stays down, rib cage stays in, and up. Other side is down, out to your turnout, and back down, and center. Ready? Let's go to tempo. We go down, and out, and down, foot flat, and down, and side, and down, foot flat, and down, and side. Keep those hips nice and still, and down, and side, and down. And now let's combine it. We go down, straight front, and down, bend the knee, same leg, down to the side, down, other foot. We go down, stretch straight front, and down, bend the knee, and down to the side, and down, and in. Again, other side, straight front, and down, foot flat, and down to the side, and down, and bend, and down, other foot up, and down to, bend the knee, and down, and side, and down, and in. Now combine it, just front and side, and down, up, and down, and side. Other foot, and down, front, and down, and side, and bend the knee, and stretch to the front, and down to the side, and other foot up, and down, and side, and in. All right. From there, our arms are out to the side. Just roll the knees over to one side and allow the knees to just relax over, and your head goes the other way. Try to keep your shoulders flat to the floor. And stomach in and roll over to the other side. Knees roll over, head looks the other way. Nice gentle twist of the spine. And come back to center. All right, extend your legs down. Draw one knee into the chest, extend the other leg up, and bend the knee and flex the foot. And extend, stretch, and point. And bend and flex. And stretch and point. And bend and flex. And stretch, stretch, stretch. And then soften the knee, circle the ankle in one direction. And circle the ankle the other way. And down. And let's do the other leg. Draw it in. Holding underneath, maybe underneath the thigh, extend the leg up, and bend the knee and flex the foot, and stretch and point. And bend and flex, and stretch and point. And bend and flex, and stretch, stretch, stretch. Soften the knees, circle the ankle one way, and circle the ankle the other way. All right, let's help yourself sit up. Use your hands to help you sit up. Well, thank you. God bless you. We'll see you next time.